Rating, just a mile and a half up the road. Oh, but you need a car. Club, Morton in Marsh. Less than 5 minutes walk is Morton in the Marsh town. Sorry. Morton in the Marsh. There's a walk from behind the mouth. Pointed up there. That's where it shows up the way up to Basford up on streams. I want in a garden to bats just to get in there then. Huh? Gate auto locks at 5:30. Planting more trees as well, look. Oh, proud, zoom in. I'm limping a bit. Very goods and you don't want to answer because you're on the camera. And that's for all. Be a gift I visit. Yeah. On a big one, of course you can. No, I'm down there. Batchford Arboretum. Batchford Garden Centre and Cafe. We get to go into the Arboretum. Japanese section over there. Way down that big road, right down to the road at the bottom. Better than we go. No, I don't know. I'd say. Huh? Okay. You got your ballet dancing shoes on again anyway, Susie. See Morton in the Marsh, can you? Morton.
Look at them.
Huh? Just going into the bush.